Shopify has gained immense popularity among entrepreneurs who want to set up an online business. The platform offers a range of features and integrations that can help you launch an online store with minimal effort and cost. One of the most popular business models on Shopify is dropshipping. In this model, you don't have to maintain any inventory or handle shipping, making it an ideal option for those who want to start an online store with no money up front. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of starting a Shopify dropshipping store from scratch, without any upfront investment. We'll cover the key steps you need to take, including selecting your niche, finding suppliers, setting up your store, and driving traffic to your site. Chapter 1. Choosing a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial to the success of your Shopify dropshipping store. You need to select a niche that has a high demand and low competition, and where you can source products at a reasonable price. Here are some tips to help you select the right niche. Chapter 2. Finding suppliers. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to find reliable suppliers who can provide you with high-quality products at a reasonable price. Here are some ways to find suppliers. Chapter 3. Setting up your Shopify store. Once you've found your niche and suppliers, the next step is to set up your Shopify store. Here are the key steps you need to take. 4. Set up payment and shipping options. Configure your payment and shipping options to ensure that your customers can pay for their orders and receive their products. Chapter 4. Marketing your Shopify store. Once your store is set up, the next step is to drive traffic to your site and generate sales. Here are some marketing strategies that can help you promote your Shopify store. 3. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. 3. Look for influencers with a large following and high engagement rates to ensure maximum exposure. Chapter 5. Scaling your Shopify dropshipping business. As your business grows, you may want to scale your operations and expand your product offerings. Here are some ways to scale your Shopify dropshipping business. Conclusion. Starting a Shopify dropshipping business with no money up front is an achievable goal if you follow the steps outlined in this video. By selecting a profitable niche, finding reliable suppliers, setting up your store, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can launch a successful dropshipping business that generates a steady income. Remember to focus on providing value to your customers, building trust with your audience, and continually testing and refining your strategies to achieve long-term success.